Orlando, Florida today, covering the landscape show of 2026, searching for that next tool that's going to be on the product shelves and finding what the landscape industry has to offer. You're not going to want to miss this video because I'm going to show you the top 8 products I found that'll make a difference on your homestead or farm. So stay tuned and I'll help you find the next tool for your toolbox. Coming in at number 1. Check out this killer garden tool that I just came across. Belinda with GrowTech is going to show me just a little bit more about it. I mean, this thing is going to be really perfect when it comes to those hard to reach spots in your garden. So I want you to check it out. Belinda, tell us a little bit more about it.
I'm about to show you some of the best garden tools in the industry. My name is Belinda Wendt. I am the Vice President of GrowTech Inc. This is our very popular Josie weeder. It has a single shank that's been twisted, not welded, for extra strength. And then the sickle part is actually very sharp with a very sharp tip. So it can weed around plants or dig in to pop the roots of weeds. And it is available in 3 different lengths. This is our medium length. And then we also have a short version and a long version to avoid having to bend over. We also are known for all of our traditional Japanese garden tools. These are all made in Japan, top quality, really strong steel, and they are known for keeping their razor sharp edge an extra long time. For more information about our products, you can visit our website at www.growtech.com.
Let's move on to number 2.
Best irrigation valve in the industry. I'm Dave Weich and I'm the sales director for Superior. Superior is one of the oldest irrigation manufacturers in the country. We make a variety of products, but irrigation valves are our wheelhouse. We make the best in the business. Today we're going to talk about the 950 series brass valve. Been around since the 1970s, hasn't changed much since, simply because it's absurdly reliable and extremely easy to service. So our valves all come equipped with EPDM diaphragms, dual diaphragm seat assemblies, preventive wear components to ensure longevity of the product. We use open frame solenoids that are designed to last longer than standard encapsulated solenoids, provide lower replacement costs and ease of maintenance. You can simply replace your coils as needed without having to shut the water off on the valve, and we sell all repair parts and components to keep your product supported for a lifetime. We additionally have plastic options, which include the same internal components we use in our heavy-duty brass valves. This is our SPV series valve. It comes equipped with scrubbing and filtration features as standard equipment, meaning the valve cleans itself every time it opens and closes. Valve is designed to handle any water condition, whether it's reclaimed water, well water, recaptured water, or standard domestic water. We're proud to say we're the best in the business, not only with product quality, but with product support as well. You can check us out at www.getsuperior.com.
Let's see number 3.
Log down your landscape, unlock your time. Hi, I'm Hunter with TerraLock, and I am the National Accounts Representative. Let me tell you a little bit about our product. TerraLock is a cross-link acrylic water-based glue that helps hold down your mulch in place, makes it stay in heavy storms and hold it down. It is fully water permeable and very easy to apply with our electric sprayer we have down there. It only takes about 1 treatment per year to make your mulch rock hard and stay in place all year long. If you're thinking about treating your mulch and wonder how much you need, 1 gallon will do about 100 to 120 square foot. Your pails will do about 500 to 600 square foot. If you want a little more information, you can check us out on TerraLock.com or find us on Amazon.
You're not going to want to miss number 4.
The Sun Mullet. Grow one or buy one. All right, name's Adam Danner. I'm inventor and owner of sunmullet.com. All right, let's get into it. The Sun Mullet, a quick, patented sunshade accessory that works with any headwear. Simply take the Sun Mullet and place it over or under any ball cap, visor, hard hat, any headwear that you own. Each Sun Mullet has a built-in net gaiter that allows you to slide it over your face for a full sun mask. Simply take the Sun Mullet, slide it over your face. Now you have the ability to put any headwear right back over the top. Slide it back up for full sun protection. It's quick, it's easy, goes in your pocket, in your glove box. You can wet it and wring it out for a cooling effect. Visit sunmullet.com or scan the QR code for a how-to video.
Stay tuned for number 5.
Yard drainage done right. Hi, my name is Aaron. I'm with the French Drain Man, Director of Marketing and Sales. I'd like to introduce you to the French Drain Man buried downspout system. Everything you see is made here in Michigan, here in the United States, everything down to the tooling. All HDPE plastics, no fillers, all virgin material. We offer it in various sizes. We have a 2x3, we have a 3x4, and 4-inch round, all in black and white. What really sets us apart is the fact that how we have our screen set up here. All right, so we have our screen in the front, door comes off nice and easy here, up and out. Screen gives all your big materials, so it all pushes forward while the water travels down the back. All right, you have a nice vent on here, so you're not losing velocity or pressure. It actually helps the water move much more quickly. Our center comes out if you have to put any kind of camera or a jetter through there. We come down to our elbow here. This is actually an 85-degree elbow and not a 90. The difference is we have a nice ramp right here, so you're not losing water velocity as the water is traveling down. Okay, so it's going to hit that ramp and keep on pushing forward. Now this is set up for an SDR pipe. We have SDR, we have 4-inch, and we also have 3.5-inch. So whatever your liking is you can use our leaf filters for. Traveling just off the house here, about a foot or two in your flower bed is your catch basin. Now the catch basin is actually going to be about 14 inches separation between the two pipes. This allows for all the small particulates to matriculate and drop down to the bottom. All right, this holds up to a gallon's worth of material at a time. We have some pre-scored holes there. We can actually put some holes in there so the water will dissipate after the rain event. And anytime during the year, you can pop this top off here, put a wet vac in there, and just suck everything out of the bottom. And you go from that part there out to our pop-up. So the pop-up, so you saw the 85-degree fitting there, and this is your pop-up out here in the emitter. So after a rain event, you actually when you go to bury this, you're going to put fabric and stone around it. So after the rain event, the water will push back towards the fitting and dissipate in the stone. We got a nice big 10-inch plate right here. Okay, we designed that so you don't lose this in your yard. A lot of times people will lose the pop-up because the grass starts growing around the outside. Nice big door here, ton of flow, ton of opportunity to move water. And if there's ever an issue with it, that's nice because the clip will come right out here, and you can just replace the door. So this is some of the extra other products we offer here at the trade show this year. So the first of its kind is a directional Y. So you have 2 female ends to male end. So you have your water coming in here and water exiting here. Again, HDPE, no fillers, all made here in the United States. Extremely durable. We'll be able to walk or drive over this without breaking it. We have our 4-inch Y, we have our T, and we have our 45 here. Great thing about our product is that all your products, your pipe, no matter if it's whoever the manufacturer is going to snap in there and it's not going to pull apart. We have our catch basin here primarily for yard drains. You hold up to 2 gallons worth of material here. This is kind of set up for our yard drain. So we have solid plugs at the bottom. We have our open plugs on top. So again, directional, female in, male out. We have a nice big 12-inch square here with a 6-inch inlet. This actually allows a lot of water to go in without having materials drop in there and keeps all the bugs and whatnot because you don't have the dirt right next to the edge. If you need to build any kind of pitch, we have our different risers. We have an 1.5-inch riser and a 5-inch, so as you're creating your pitch to move your system out, we've got everything you need. A couple of our great fittings we have. This is a Schedule 40 SDR 35. The female coupler. We have our male version here, and then we have our amazing external coupler. This will never come out, guaranteed. You put that pipe in, you walk away, it's going to stay in place. And then we have our nice flow gate here. So if you're trying to daylight your French drain or your pop-up or downspout, you have a nice door, keeps the critters out, flows nicely. Now we'll go over our next section. I'll walk you through our French drain pipe. All right, so here's what we're known for, our French Drain Man perforated high-octane pipe. This is by far the thickest single-wall corrugated pipe on the market with the largest amount of water inlet on the market. We have over 17 square inches of water inlet per linear foot. With most places you'll find the box stores is about 7. We actually have double saw cut perforations in between all of our ribs here, okay? So you have 365 degrees of water inlet. What also sets us apart is our internal diameter is larger than most pipe manufacturers out there. You can see in our ribbings are much more shallower, so you have more turbulence. It's going to move any kind of sediment out through the pipe. Also come up with a great idea, a great thing for our contractors and our DIYers is our clips. The clips are going to hold this pipe in place as you're dumping your stone in, so that it's not moving around on you. So what usually takes three or four guys to put stone in a trench, you only use two. You got one guy dumping and one guy smoothing all the stone. Now we do make it in a wide version as well, so if you're going through a driveway, you can get that extra stone between the pipes. So the stone is completely encompassing everything and keep the strength up there. So that's our 4-inch version. This is our 3.5-inch version. And if you ever wanted to, and you really got a lot of water you're taking in, you could build a quad pack with a 3 or 4. So you put all your clips in there, nice, it holds shape, dump your stone in, right, and then away you go. So this is what we take our biggest pride on, is the fact that we're building quality products for our customers and our DIYers. So this is our rolls, our 3.5-inch pipe here. This ships anywhere in the US. We ship direct to DIYers and contractors, and you can go right on our website at FrenchDrainman.com to check out our products.
Next up is number 6.
A new way to help water your plants that you've probably never heard before. My name is Scott. I'm with JRM Chemical. I'm one of the owners, vice president. So this is called a polymer, which holds the water. It's a soil amendment you mix in the soil at the root level of the plant. It starts out as a crystal, you mix it in the soil, and what happens, it absorbs the moisture like a sponge and hangs onto it like that. It holds 200 times its weight in water. The bottom line, it holds the water for your plants, cuts your waterings in half, and it lasts several years, 3 to 5 years. So it's very economical to use and great to use for any plants, for trees and shrubs, or whether you're doing it for vegetables. Hanging baskets dry out a lot. It's a great aid to help your watering. The soil moisture is used as an amendment to hold the water. The next product is more on the decorative side, which is what we call deco beads, which is similar to what's out there called Orbeez. They're round, same type of polymer, but they're round, and that is used for cut flowers, decorative plants, things like that, and you want to use that as a centerpiece or as a focal point for your home. The next product we have is Snow Reel, which is a decorative snow. It's a powder, it's a polymer you mix in, and it fluffs up, looks just like instant snow, which is great for your holiday parties and events. A little bit goes a long ways, and it glistens just like snow. Whether you're in Florida or up in Alaska, you can use that as a decoration come Christmas time, come the holiday season. So this is a 3-ounce bag. It's one of our better sellers. This has the crystals, the soil moist crystals in here that you can see in the back. Full instructions on the back. This 3-ounce bag will treat 35 4-inch pots. So it covers a lot of ground, and again, you're getting several years out of it to last 3 to 5 years and cut that watering in half. More information, contact us on our website, which is soilmoist.com. All information can be found there. We're found in most garden centers, online through Amazon, Lowe's.com, but soilmoist.com is where you can find all the information.
You got to check out number 7. All right, Homestead Garage family, listen, I want to introduce to you a company called Urture. They're a new construction wear company that's out there in the market, just getting their feet wet right now. And I want you guys to take a look at their website and see how you can support them. They're brand spanking new, and I really like their gear. So go ahead and check them out. I'm going to go ahead and turn it over to Zach, and he's going to tell us a little bit more about it.
I'm going to show you how to ditch the vest and get into one of our Hi-Vis shirts. Zach Strauser, founder and CEO of Urture Outdoor Workwear. One of our key hero products is the long sleeve tee, no vest shirt. We make them in 12 different colors. It starts with a t-shirt, long sleeve tee hoodie, and basically we go over to sweatshirts, same colors, same look, heavyweight sweatshirts. Then we go to our jackets, which we also color code. The main thing that we like to explain to people is it could be a t-shirt, long sleeve tee hoodie, quarter zip hoodie, full zip hoodie, jackets, hats, beanies, buckets. They all match. They're all color coded to your brand, or at least we find it pretty hard to not match up one of our 12 to 14 colors to your brand. We're a solution for the small, medium to larger contractor in the landscape industry. What I wanted to do with this shirt was make a shirt that would eliminate the vest. But I also wanted it to be more of a premium product that didn't feel like really cheap polyester. This is a polyester with spandex, but it's soft to touch. It feels like cotton, just enough stretch, just enough reflective. And basically you can get this in all different colors. If you needed us to brand it, we can definitely do that. And we do that for many of our orders. How to contact us, urture.com, urture.com. And you can contact us there, and you can also buy product there.
And finally, number 8. Everybody, I want you to check out this company called IQ4. They have an awesome mobility solution for if you're trying to monitor your fleet, and the cameras too as well. It's something to monitor the cameras, not just monitoring the GPS, but figure out what your guys are doing, what time they're arriving to the job site, and if somebody just happens to have an accident, you got backup, and they're gonna help you out. But not only that, they also have a 0 upfront cost on their packages and a really affordable installation package where they'll send out a professional mechanic to have everything installed on your truck, on your fleet, or whatever it is that you're trying to run a servicing crew on. That's pretty much any time of the day. Not only that, they also have an awesome online GUI to where you can actually see everything in one single pane of glass. I'm going to turn this over to Claudia, and she's going to tell you a little bit more about it.
All right, I'm going to show you how to keep an eye on your fleet at all times. Hey, I'm Claudia. I work at IQ4 Mobility. I'm an account manager for Southwest Florida. All right, so for 20 bucks a month, as little as 20 bucks a month, 0 up front, we can get you guys dash cameras, GPS tracking. This is the simplest, easiest solution on the market to figure out where your trucks are, to monitor safety, and to improve driving behavior overall so that you have less accidents and that your drivers are safer out there on the road. It can even help with your insurance cost. We have a variety of products, dash cameras, dual facing, driver facing, in cab. There are solar powered units, asset trackers that are great for trailers without a power source. We even can track smaller equipment, blowers, motors, etc. These cameras can go on the back of your truck for external rear facing and side view so that you can monitor where your guy has pulled up and if he's finished the job. Our system will allow you to run reports, set real-time alerts, and you can see at all times if your driver is doing what they're supposed to be doing. It's your best backup for your good drivers, and it's also will also catch the bad drivers, catch what's going wrong. For installation, if you're wondering how this gets installed, you can either self-install or we will send a mechanic to you at your time of your choosing, nights or weekends. And he will install the trackers or the dash cameras. It only takes about 45 minutes a vehicle, and he'll come in, like I said, nights or weekends. You can also self-install, and that will allow you to just simply plug the unit into the OBD port. You can get diagnostic codes from there, tire pressure readings, fuel, and also track maintenance, recalls, information through that system as well. $75 a vehicle if you're looking to install a GPS tracker or an OBD camera. And if you're looking to do a hardwired unit, it's about $150 for a camera, $75 for a tracker. For more information, feel free to call our office or visit our website, iq4mobility.com.
Okay, so that is a wrap for the landscape show of 2026. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I try to stay away from the big conglomerate corporations and really focus on the smaller brands and things that just mattered on the homestead or the farm. So if you like today's video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe to help support Homestead Garage so I can go see more trade shows and bring you the best tools that you're gonna find in the industry. Thanks a lot. Hope you see you in the next one.